Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to JB80 Gaming. JB here in Saber Simulator, doing a quick video on something that a lot of people have been asking me, especially tonight, and the giveaway we had is how to get crowns, how to get the most crowns. But before we get into that, do me a favor, smash that like button. All you new people out there, hey, thank you for watching, thank you for tuning, thank you for stopping by. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, then smash that like button, show me some love. That way you never miss out on any video, contest, event, giveaway, all the stuff we got going on. You could be the next winner. Just like tonight, we just got finished giving away out, got finished passing out 1,000 OP pets. That's double, triple. We gave away double, triple, rainbows, voids, shiny, golds, regulars. We gave out 1,000 OP pets. And to give out 1,000 OP pets, you got to have crowns. And that's what everybody's asking me, how to get crowns, how to get crowns. I'm gonna do this quick video and show you how to get crowns. Rule number one on getting crowns, let me zoom out here, is this right here. Is when you go fight, that's your crowns right there. That's your boss right there. But you got to have the best crown pets. You got to have crown pets. And the crown pets for that are your your triple moons. Your triple moons. Right now I have a shiny Shadow Witch. It's getting me 34,000 crowns. I got the Rainbow Shadow Witch, which is getting me 35,000 crowns. I've got the Rainbow Queen of Fall getting me 35,000 crowns. And I've got the shiny Omega Shard, which is getting me 26,000 crowns. All of these are triple moon pets. You got to have the triple moon pets. If you want the crowns and get the other pets, you might have to trade something that you love to get that triple moon. You got to have your triple moon pets to get the crowns. And I'm going to show a video later on what islands are the best islands to get your pets from. But you got to equip yourself with these. Now I do have other pets that get me better stats than that. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's getting me 79,000, 78,000. I mean, I've got rainbows on my other account, which are getting me more strength. But I don't need the strength. You need crowns. Use your triple moons. Next thing of it is this. When you go up here to fight the boss, no matter what, always, for an example, I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to do one swing. One swing gave me 651.166S. 651.166S. So 650S. So if I did another swing, it should get me, I should be right at 13, 1 point something S. But one thing you want to do here is you got to join a clan. I don't care if you're in a clan by yourself. Create the clan. Create the clan. Create the clan. All right. Create. If my button works right here. I created it. Okay. Now what you want to do is this. Hold on. Let's see. It says, yeah, create a clan. Make sure it's still there. Yeah, it's still there. Next thing you do is you go over here and ask people, join my clan. Hit them, tell them, join my clan, join my clan, join my clan. The more people in there, the more crowns you get. As soon as they get in, then start coming over here fighting it. I did it again. I was at 1,300 because I only getting 10% on that because it's only me in there. But the more people you have in your clan, the more crowns you get. I mean, it's plain and simple. I'm doing a little easy boss here, and I'm already 14S right there. I can go to the top max island and hatch a few pets on there. Okay, and hatching a few pets is not going to get you the pets you need. You can't just go back and forth. Let me hatch 4, 5, 6 pets, run here and kill a boss. 4 or 5 pets, kill a boss. 4 or 5 pets, kill a boss. You can't do that. You got to go up there and spend time hatching them pets. And I've done the video. Check it out on how to hatch OP pets. I'll put the link in the description below. But this is how to get crowns. Okay. You got to use your triple moon pets. You got to join the clan. It's better when you have more than one person in the clan, but I'm in my private server and no one else is in here. If I would have had more in there, instead of me getting 51S on them crowns, I would have ended up with probably 85, 90S in crowns. That's one way. The next way is this. Save all your crowns there. If you can go a whole day without spending any of them crowns doing nothing but fighting the boss, then these daily rewards right here, use all that to multiply your crowns right there. The next thing is the skills. Make sure you have all your boss hits. The more boss hits you get, the more crowns you get. Next thing is your crown shop. Exactly. go right here, make sure you're equipped with the highest auras. You can see it's giving me, let me see here. Does it give me anything for crowns? No, it cost me 103 crowns, but it didn't give me nothing for crowns. But here you go, the pet auras. It's giving me 1.55 for crowns. Then you come up with some more pet auras. Okay, that's what you got to do to get your crowns itself. Now, another thing of it is, to get more crowns is you need to go right here, and we'll go to the store. If you want to spend Robux, you double Saber. It gives you 2 times the hits, so you get 2 times the crowns. Next thing is fast swing. Fast swing, you get it faster. Simple as that. All right, let's go over here to, I don't want to buy that. 2 times coin, 2 times strength, don't need that. 2 times health, don't need that. 2 times speed, don't need that. Okay, triple hats, don't need that. 2 times damage, don't need that. 2 times damage is only on when you're fighting people. But that's how you get more crowns itself right there. Now, if you have the Robux, you can come over here. Never, ever, ever hit this button right here and buy them crowns. It's not worth it. All right, I'd rather come over here for 80 more. Go to your store. Go down here to boost. Boost. After you fight the boss, you can get them all the way down to about die. Hit the 5 times crowns. It'll times 5 everything you got right there and give you more crowns. Then as soon as you kill that boss, here's the thing, as soon as you kill that boss, don't sit around and wait 2 minutes, 3 minutes for the next boss. Get out of there. Go to another server. Go there to fight the boss. As soon as you get in there, remember, create a clan. There you go. Okay, there my clan is created. My clan is created. And just curious, so in 32 seconds he'll be back here. We're gonna see. Last time we got 51. So let's see, we got one, just me in the clan by itself. Just me in the clan by itself. You see, I'm just in the clan. 10% in crown and there. Now look at this. Want to buy the product 10-minute double clan boost for 150 Robux. You can do that. That's up to you. But I just want to show you, a while ago, with just me by myself, no clan, I was getting 51S crowns. 51S crowns. So now, let's see here. What do we have? Well, we got a bigger boss. He's going to have, and of course, it's going to be a look. You can get a whole lot more. But as you can tell right here, I mean, I've barely hit them. I'm at 15S. But look at, but the clan right there is going to get you your crowns. Plain and simple. You've got to do that. If I had to double saber right now, I'd be at 62S. Okay, I'd be at 62S. All right. Imagine if I would spend Robux right now and did the. Oh, maybe this is the same boss I did before. So let's see. Now imagine if I would have done the 5 times crowns. Okay, that means 5 times 5 would be 250 big S is where I'd be at right now. Instead of still happening, still going on with it. So, but that is, I mean, I'm not even going to show it. I mean, I'm at 67S on crowns. That's how you get your crowns. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave me a comment. If you have any extra ideas on how to get crowns, let me know. Leave me a comment. Let me do it. Hey, do me a favor. Smash the like button. Let me know what's going on. Everybody else, hey, thank you for watching. If you're new, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Then smash the like button. Leave me a comment. Go back and watch all of our other videos. I put some more videos in the links below on how to get OP pets. And this is how you get crowns. You got to have the crowns to get OP pets. Take you a day break, 1 whole day without hatching anything. Save your crowns up. Use the daily reward and times them up. All right, other than that, this is JB80 Gaming. Holla at your boy. Have a great night.